Did you know that the garage door has been around for over a century? Let's take a quick look at its history. Before garages, people stored their horses and carriages in small barns with swing-out wooden doors. But as cars became popular in the early 1900s, people needed a better solution. In 1921, C.G. Johnson invented the overhead garage door, which lifted upwards instead of swinging out. This made it easier to use in tight spaces. Just 5 years later, in 1926, Johnson also created the first electric garage door opener, making garage doors even more convenient. Since then, garage doors have evolved with stronger materials, better insulation, and smart technology. Today, they're an essential part of every home. So next time you open your garage door, remember innovation has been making life easier for over 100 years.